Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to blend multiple images together in Photoshop. See this multiple image and create a new file again and inserted three multiple image. Hold shift, press Ctrl T, resize image and replace this image. Press Ctrl T. Okay, and again hold shift, edit and see this auto blend layers. Click. Okay, fine. Then select panorama. See this result. That's it. Another way, screen or adjust many different options. Okay, or apply to method auto blend. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.